one of the things is also, again, I've personally run into this, is make sure that you understand what the homeowners association will allow you to do. Something that happened to me where I'm renting in Virginia is that subsequent to my renting the house out, the homeowner association decided that there were too many houses being rented and arbitrarily had a big vote and said that they were going to limit the number of houses that could be rented. Now, if that ever rolls back on me, speaking from my attorney side, we'll be suing the homeowners association, but it'd be nicer if we didn't. So, good idea, before you get in, once you've found the property, it's really good to ask, make sure if it is in an HOA, and most of our suburban properties are in homeowners associations, is to ask for a copy of the restrictions, get some information about those restrictions before you make a final commitment. And in most of us, the way we do contracts today, we put in an option period, and one of the things you'll want to do during that option period is to get a look at the homeowner restrictions. Some of them can be very interesting, like I've seen a set of restrictions that prohibits any type of home business, which is usually not an unusual restriction, but if you've got people who are doing some type of home business, which is very common, people start in their home and then they move to a rental property or, to an office or something, could be an issue. One of the things we've run into some neighborhoods is having the trucks of people that do like air conditioning and plumbing. A lot of times they're allowed to take those big trucks home, which have the billboard painting on the side of them, and some homeowner associations will not permit that. That has an impact from the standpoint if you're renting to a family, and frankly, AC is a great business in Houston. Many people, tenants and non-tenants, are in that business. You confront them parking the truck in the driveway, and it's like, no, it has to be behind the property line, and there's similar restrictions for boats and RVs. So understanding what the restrictions are doesn't mean you won't buy the property, but it means when you're renting the property, you want to make people aware of what the restrictions are. In terms of buying investment property, condos tend to be a popular investment, especially first-time investors. And the issue with condos is the condo association may not permit rental. I'm familiar with the condo association in the museum district, is that you cannot rent for different terms and stuff like that. They define what's going on, almost like a New York City co-op. So certainly be aware of that.